Within the next 8 minutes, you'll be able to delete impatience as a pro or beginner Forex trader that has been struggling so hard. You don't know how to just keep your fingers off the chart. You don't know how to stay without clicking either buy or sell. Like you just want to get busy on the chart. Yeah, within 6 months, I was able to overcome impatience as a beginner Forex trader. And this has helped me to successfully manage several accounts for investors in my Forex trading journey. Now, the reason you need to delete impatience from your Forex trading journey is that impatience does a whole lot of things, which include the number one, it makes you to blow up your account. Imagine that you have a particular strategy you are following, and then you see that it is not already totally set. Your setup has not been totally met, and then you feel that, man, I can't wait anymore. I feel this candlestick is going my way, and you place that particular trade. Then within a few minutes, now it turns against you. Then you hit stop loss or you blow your account before it even starts going the direction you initially projected. That is what impatience can cause. Impatience can make you, the moment you miss a setup and now you feel, oh, I just have to pursue this market. Then you go chasing a trade because you forgot that there are thousands of trades that you can place in future as a result of impatience. Impatience can make you to overtrade because you had a loss and then you are not patient to recall that loss is a part of the game. Now you start chasing trades, you start fighting to recover back. Impatience is actually deadly to your Forex trading career. And now, using the ICC strategy, I want to explain to you exactly how you can avoid this. Now, to start with, this particular day, I did not trade. Yet people were waiting for me to give them signals in Ovampa VIP signals group. You know that feeling when a lot of people are chatting, hey mama, what are we trading? Like, what is happening? We had to say that our setup has not been met, right? So throughout that day, we didn't get this setup. Yeah, because you know that XAUUSD has been in its all-time high for couple of weeks. So everybody, we have been waiting to keep on following it. But after the massive pullback, we had to now wait for the correction so that we are going to sell depending on what the market projects to us. So we had to actually wait throughout that day till the next day during New York session. Our setup was met, and then, do you know that particular trade? We hit all TPs up to TP6. Yeah, the take profit, I do split it so that people with small account size can always chicken out, because small account owners are the most impatient people when it comes to trading. So that day we got more than 1,000 pips, and then I noticed a change of trend. The retracement came back to around 770 pips. So we had to shut down the trade and pulled out 770 pips profit. Imagine that we didn't wait. We might even not notice the moment it started going our way because we were chasing shadows while missing the substance. Okay, so how you can actually overcome impatience or delete impatience using the ICC Forex trading strategy is that, number one, you need to make sure you wait for an indication. Because when you have in mind that I am trading with ICC concept, which is I, indication, C, correction, C, continuation. Now, the I, indication, gives you signal, the direction the market will be going to. But then you are still waiting. You are still waiting for that moment when the indication is done happening. So you know that the moment this indication is done happening, it has to correct, okay? And now you wait for the correction. Meanwhile, if you still have a challenge trading ICC, trading using the ICC concept, I will show you how to do that, alright? Just pay attention. And then you already know that you're not going to be trading during the indication. So you get this indication that this is where the market will be going to. It keeps on moving, but you don't go with it. All right. You are just waiting, and then it begins to correct. And then it's finished the correction. Now, this indication and correction, you never can tell how long it's going to take, but you are patient, right? Because the moment you know that you don't trade indication, you don't trade correction, that you only need continuation to make your entry. This is helping you to master this discipline. It's helping you to master this discipline of waiting, of patience. All right. It's helping you to withstand that urge, because when you look at the chart, you'll be like, well, the correction is still happening, right? Now you still keep waiting for the correction until the correction is over. And how do you know the continuation is happening? Now you zoom to the lower time frame, which, like I said, I'll show you. You zoom to the lower time frame to see that a continuation is happening already on the lower time frame, like the 15 minutes or sometimes the 5 minutes, the 15 minutes, the 30 minutes. You see that the market is beginning to continue in this direction that it gave you indication that it will be going to. And what do? You simply zoom into the trade. You lock up that trade, like you have peace of mind. Okay, because you know that this is what I have been waiting for. But imagine that you place that particular trade, you set your stop loss, you set your take profit, and throughout that day, you don't care about whatever happens, because there is a satisfaction that you get when you are patient and you waited for your strategy before you zoom into the trade. As long as ICC works, most of the time it will go in your favor, right? So if it goes in your favor, the joy is not only in the winning. The joy is not only in the take profit. The joy is in the mastery of your mind, that you were able to be patient, to wait for this particular time. Alright, so focusing on knowing that the only time you place or make an entry is during continuation. This is helping you a whole lot to filter out all the unnecessary trades, all the unnecessary noise, all the restlessness of trying to click here and there. And remember, I don't know if you forget, smash the thumbs up and share this video to help people. Remember to comment below what's your account size, so that I'll make another video about risk management to help you build your account. Now, if you are still struggling to learn or master how to become a profitable Forex trader using the ICC Forex trading strategy, the video on your screen right now is going to help you to trade ICC correctly.